When I can get a pristine piece of sashimi-grade ahi, I buy it. Every time. There's nothing quite like it. Smooth, cool, pure umami. Today the fishmonger had a beautiful piece, so we're cooking. You could go traditional, sashimi, sushi, a little wasabi, good soy sauce, but there's only so much soy sauce you can eat before you're flirting with salt overload. Years ago, one of my mentors served Sear ahi at an event, and that's when I started building this Ponzu. Not to overpower the fish, not to hide it, but to support it. Balance, not salt. Always build your sauce first. Zest and juice one large lime. You've seen me do this before. An equal volume of good sake. A tablespoon of high quality soy sauce. Enough for umami, not dominance. Finely chopped cilantro and mint. No stems today, just the leaves because this is going into our sauce. You can put this in the blender if you like, but a fine knife keeps the texture cleaner and the color brighter. I like seeing the herbs. I like texture and balance. Let that sit aside. Let the flavors meld together. We're going to season this beautiful piece of ahi with sashimi, toogarashi. It already carries complexity. Chili, sesames, citrus peel. You're layering flavor before heat ever touches it. No oil at this point. This is restraint. This is respect. Get a hot pan. Oil just beginning to smoke. Now this moves quickly. The ahi goes in. 10 seconds, no hesitation, turn it. 10 seconds, no hesitation, turn it again. 10 seconds, no hesitation. 10 more seconds and you're done. Off the heat and resting on the side. You're not cooking it through. You're building a thin, controlled crust. A contrast between fire and silk. If you blink, it's overcooked. What's ahi's favorite music? A good tuna. Take your sharpest knife. Then sharpen it again. Don't hone it, sharpen it. I once requested a sushi knife, but Congress had other use of those appropriations. Hold the ahi steady. You're going to do this with your hand. A declarative cut on a bias. First slice, that's yours. Quality control. Thin slices now, 5 millimeters. Look at that edge. That's the sear we wanted. Continue all the way through. Last slice, also yours. Chef's privilege. Lay the slices neatly, in order, clean, controlled. A little fan. A mint leaf and cilantro for garnish. Ponzu into the dipping dish. Restraint matters. When the ingredient is this good, less is more. Why did the ahi get promoted? Because it was on a whole other level. All right, let's taste. Quick dip into the ponzu. Not the whole piece, unless that's what you really want to do. The sear is delicate. The sashimi brings gentle heat and depth. The lime gives brightness. The soy provides umami. And the sake rounds everything out. Balanced, clean, intentional. This is when technique disappears and the ingredient speaks.